Balfour Beatty have been employed by Strathclyde University to develop their two existing buildings, the architecture building and the Colville building, into one building, the Learning and Teaching Hub, and it's to provide innovative and flexible teaching spaces, making this building the heart of the Strathclyde University campus. The architecture building is a Grade 2 listed building. It was built in 1964. The Colville building was constructed in 1967 and opened to students then. During the design and construction of the project, we were keen to include the original features as well as some new and innovative features, making the building much more modern.
Within the listed building, the building had been adapted over 50 years of the lifespan of the building, and we were allowed to and wanted to strip back the building to its original design, and then after that it was very much to replace where necessary with like for like. So the windows were replaced with exactly the same manufacturer, exactly the same windows and fenestration, but they're double glazed rather than being single glazed. The copper cladding was replaced under an instruction because it had come to the end of its original life, so very much keeping the language of the building.
Balfour Beatty Patrick were in charge of all the mechanical, electrical and plumbing services, including all the specialist systems. The benefits of having in-house instead of putting that out to an external company was basically a one-team approach. It was very collaborative to make sure any challenges, any issues were looked at collectively, dealt with collectively and resolved to the benefit of the project instead of the benefit of one party or another. We used a lot of digital technologies in the implementation of the MEP services within the building. One of the first things that we did was, before demolition commenced, we laser scanned the building just to check that the as-fitted information we'd been given was accurate. The design team started producing a BIM model, which is a coordinated model of all the walls and services and structural openings and everything that's in the building. We developed that. We also use BIM 360 Field, which is our in-house quality tool, so everyone used the same portal, so it meant that we were all looking at the same information, and any problems or any issues were getting dealt with and not getting lost in paperwork or getting lost in emails.
The sustainability of the project is very important to our client as well as Balfour Beatty. One of the big benefits of refurbishing and reusing these buildings is the carbon capture is drastically reduced compared to a new like for like. So this equates to 67% reduction in the carbon capture. So by the completion of this project, we would like to think that the buildings which have completed 50 years of learning for the university will continue to deliver learning to the university and to the students through many, many years to come.